fix PS5 wired LAN or Ethernet not working. Alright guys, so your first step is to simply check the Ethernet cable. So make sure your LAN cable is properly plugged into your PS5 and into your router. Or you could simply try a different cable if you noticed any issues. Now, besides this, you could also check the router port. So after making sure everything is plugged in, you could also check the router port itself to simply make sure it works. And if it doesn't, you could try the alternative ports that are made available. And then you could also set up a wired connection on your PS5 by going into settings, heading into network, then click on network settings and then set up a internet connection. Choose set up a wired LAN connection. You're going to see it there as an option. And now you could also restart your router and the PS5 once you've done these reconnections. Now, if that still doesn't fix your issue, then you could check your IP settings by making sure your IP settings are set to automatic. Manual settings can cause connection issues. And then last but not least, make sure to check your router restrictions, because if your router has a MAC filter or parental controls, it could be blocking your PS5, as someone could have added it to a block list. Alright guys, and then once you're done, just go ahead and test your internet connection and that should fix up the issue. Alright.